Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add number row to your keyboard. As you can see, if I start writing anything, I have no numbers above these letters. And I'm going to show you how to change that. You go to Settings, then Additional Settings. Now you press on Keyboard and Input method, then Gboard. Now you press on Preferences and just enable number row. As you can see, if I start writing anything, numbers show up and above all the letters. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing, liking and commenting this video.